the name of the book. Weird but true. Some honeybee queens quack. What? In Japan, it's possible to buy watermelons shaped like pyramids. Peanut butter can be converted into a diamond. The octopus have 3 hearts. The earth spins so fast that someone standing at the equator is traveling at about 1,000,000 miles an hour. Elephants can run faster than humans. A lizard sticks its tongue out smell. Chromophobia is the extreme fear of colors. A newborn puppy can take up 2 months to start wagging its tail. Nothing can escape from a black hole. Some butterflies' ears on their wings. A bat can eat 3,000 insects in one night. Y que la agarre y que le cuento. Everybody Thursday, 6 p.m. Zoom. Thank you.